Hi, welcome back. I am Mateja from DMA. Today I'm going to show you some basic jazz chord progressions. A lot of students ask me about jazz and have some clips about jazz, and I decided today to show you basic jazz progressions. Those chords and those progressions are extremely popular, so if you want to play jazz, you love jazz, you will find these chord progressions in almost every jazz standard. So if you're ready, let's play. Okay, today I'm going to show you basic progression. We're going to use the key of C major, and I'm going to show you progressions second, fifth, first. So we will start with the second chord of the C major. That's going to be D, and in this case we're going to use D minor. So D, F, A, C. So we're going to use in this inversion of that chord A, C, D, F, and with D in the bass. So D minor 7. The next chord is going to be G7, G major 7. That's chord G, H, D, F, but with the inversion we'll start from H, H, D, F, G. That will be G7. Next one will be C major 7, C my 7. We're going to use it in natural shape. So C, A, G, H, B, sorry, B, B. In my country we called it H, so I made a mistake. B, so C, A, G, B. And the last chord will be C6, the same chord C major with A. So how it's going to work? In a lot of modern jazz and in a lot of jazz standard you will see this combination, second, fifth, first. So we're going to start with the second, and then G, fifth, and then C. So there's the whole point. You start with the second chord in the scale, actually in tonality, then go to the fifth, and then you go to the first major, and then go to the sixth. That's the whole point. And that's how to play basic jazz. There is a lot more of jazz progressions. I will show some of them in my next videos, but for today I just want to show you this basic. So second, fifth, and then first. This was everything I wanted to show you today. I hope you had fun. I surely did. So until next time, see you and stay tuned.